Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, coming to you live and direct from Smyrna, Georgia. Today we are going to preview this 6-bedroom, 3 full bath, 1 half bath house that you see behind me here. And if you like this house, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It's a great location, not too far from Smyrna Market Village, about 10 minutes away from 285, very close to the Battery and Truist Park where the Atlanta Braves play. And I think you're gonna like it. New construction. They did a really good job on the craftsmanship here. So leave a comment if you have any questions about this house. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I'm excited to show you this beautiful home. Let's take a look in the inside. Take a look at this 6-bedroom, 3.5 bath, new construction home in the prime Smyrna Heights neighborhood of Smyrna, Georgia. It is ideally located in Cobb County, close to I-285 and about 10 minutes to the Battery and Truist Park, which is also the home of the Atlanta Braves Stadium. It is in walking distance to Tolleson Park and Smyrna Market Village, which is a popular food and shopping center. It is listed by Ilona Deeney for Revolve Real Estate and boasts stunning finishes with its spacious 3,300 square feet interior. When you walk in, you'll see how the huge picture windows let light into the open concept living area. The custom kitchen features stainless steel appliances, a built-in microwave, a 36-inch gas range, and a very nice island which has additional seating for 4 people. The main level has 2 bedrooms, a full bath for the bedrooms, and an additional half bath for guests. The spacious master bedroom has hardwoods and an ensuite with a double vanity, standalone tub, and a grand shower. The huge bonus bedroom upstairs can be used as a game room or a family room. The fully fenced backyard is great for pets and family get-togethers. Top-rated schools include Smyrna Elementary, Campbell Middle, and Campbell High Schools. I'm excited to show you this beautiful home. Let's start your tour.
Closer to you. Closer to you.
Right, that's how, right, that's how, right, 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 that's how, right, that's how, right, 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 that's how, right, that's how, right, right, that's how, right, that's how, right, right, that's how, right, that's how, right, 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 that's how, right, that's how, right, 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 that's how, right, that's how, right, 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 that's how, right, that's how, right, 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 that's how, right, that's how, right, 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 that's how, right, that's how, right, right.
All right, we're back. What did you think about this beautiful 6 bedroom, 3 full bath, 1 half bath home. I really liked it. I like the custom finishes on it. I definitely like the hardwood floors. The kitchen is very nice, open concept, but it's not about me, it's about you. What are your thoughts about this house? I'll let you look at the inside again real quick. There we go. What are your thoughts about this house? Leave a comment down below and make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling this house. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I'll put out a new video. I don't think this house is going to be on the market long, just on location alone. Very good schools, as I covered in the features and benefits, and lots of things to do here. Smyrna Market Village is close by. These homes usually don't stay on the market long. So if you're interested in this house, you better reach out to me as soon as possible. Look for the contact info and call me or text me, and we can get you a personal tour of this house. All right. So until the next time, have a great day. This is your man, Carlton Lewis, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Peace.